This is Marcus and all those girls up there doing Ratchet Girl Anthem. That's Lacey. Say hey, Lacey. What it do, Lacey? Oh look, there's Marcus in his wig and his pillow.
Oh my God! Who's gonna come at the house like that? Oh my God! Pause. Turn around, boo boo. Turn around, boo boo. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. Let me take this hair for a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fast. Hey girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Mister. A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I met a middle of no shoes. What the? Acting cute today. Full steps, got a brand new purse. A brand new tap, paid $95 for this plus tax dial, didn't it? Just crank along. Better than I am when you think I'm wrong. My number, boy, bye. Girl, shut up, be quiet. Hey girl, who did your first rocks? Yes. Okay, girl. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. Let me take this hair for a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Shoes on. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. My name is Marquisha and they call me Kari. I step up in the honey belly to look at it sorry. This is a Kari. Brother is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey dress on. Who lifted my press on? I'm back outside. I'm speaking in Chinese. Oh, I see. Bye, please.